Young people don't listen to public safety messages. So how do you get them to care about being safe around trains? By turning your message into a cultural phenomenon. The idea was simple. Being unsafe around trains is the dumbest thing you could ever do.
I wonder, what's this red button do? Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
A song was written called Dumb Ways to Die. A video of the song was released online and within a week had over 20 million YouTube views. Content was made for Tumblr, Instagram and SoundCloud and generated huge and immediate viral effect. Within days, Dumb Ways to Die became the world's most shared video. The song was put on iTunes and climbed the charts in over 20 countries, making its way onto playlists all around the world. Radio advertising was purchased, but this song about rail safety was so popular it got played for free. The video was picked up by every television network in the country. Limited edition posters based on press and outdoor became collector's items. People shared their own versions of the song.
Ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
Created all kinds of content. Schools everywhere adopted the campaign. Dumb Ways to Die became the most shared public service campaign in history. And a message that people needed to hear had become a message that people wanted to hear.
Run across the tracks between the platforms. They may not rhyme, but they're quite possibly dumbest ways to die. The dumbest ways to die. The dumbest ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Be safe around trains. A message from Metro.